One of the hidden beauties is the Curug Uchi, which is located in Jisewu sub-district Kirimukti village, borders with Nyalindung village. Waterfall, which has a height of 200 meters fan, has two stages of a waterfall. For those of you who want to visit this waterfall, Tower not only enjoy high waterfalls, but you can also swim. There are two levels for you dive in normally. The depth of the medium and the deep is about 3. For the depth of bay under the second deep waterfall, which is below the second waterfall. Not only that, which can be enjoyed on the journey is also very victorious, because we have to walk as far as 2 kilometers to get to the place, but not euphorious, because on the route is all streets by a field. That is so interesting. This waterfall is still in an original stage, and here it is still not arranged and managed by regions or districts, have reached more than 10,000. You if you want to fly to the south route, don't forget to stop by the Uchi waterfall. You will enjoy the beauties of this nature.